In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the lower thermostat in your water heater, shut off the power to the unit. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the mounting screw securing the access cover, and remove the cover. Move the insulation out of the way, and remove the plastic cover. Note the orientation of the wires attached to the thermostat, then loosen the screws to detach the wires. Pull the mounting bracket tabs forward to release the old thermostat. You're now ready to install the new thermostat. Align the thermostat on the bracket and snap it into place. Attach the wires to the appropriate terminals on the new thermostat and tighten the screws to secure. Position the new plastic cover. Adjust the thermostat setting to the desired temperature. 120 degrees Fahrenheit is recommended. Reposition the insulation and realign the access cover. Replace the mounting screw to secure the cover. Restore power to the unit, and your water heater should be ready for use.